teddy bear show you? That's cool. Whoa! That's a big saguaro. All right, good morning. I'm here today with my buddy George, and we're gonna have a couple days in the soups.
3 days.
3 days. We're gonna take the Bluff Spring up through Barks Canyon and connect with the Dutchman's Trail, and then on, and the goal for today is Charlebois Spring. They don't call it Cardiac Hill for nothing, but we're almost at the top. And it's all downhill.
It's called brittle bush. When the Jesuits came in, they called it incensio because if you collect the sap down at the base, you can burn it, and they burn it in the church as incense.
Oh.
It has a beautiful yellow flower, and a lot of times they'll just blanket the hillside. We're going to have quite a bloom this year.
This is Barks Canyon. You can follow this canyon up to right to that peak right there, and then go to the left, and it reconnects with Dutchman's Trail. And right there is where Peralta.
How on earth did you see that?
I don't know. I think I saw the A, you know.
Yeah.
I don't remember his name.
Here's an A, here's an L.
Yeah, he was a rancher here, and that's
The first P is.
yeah, that's who this trail is named after in Trailhead. His ranch was here.
It's incredible.
Yeah, that's cool. Got my new boots on. My new Solomons. This would make a great painting. Oh, nice agave in the sun. Okay, we're at the bottom. That's LaBarge Spring right there at the base of... Is that Music Mountain right there, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and we're crossing over right now, heading to Charlebois. Darn it, he made it. So if you can believe it, we're still in the Superstitions. Oh, that's a nice campsite.
Yeah.
Look at this. Doesn't even seem like we're in the desert anymore. All right, we made it. Right, that valley right there is Charlebois Spring. We just scouted it out. It's really overgrown back in there and not many camping options. So we're gonna take a look along this water, see if we can find any spot. It looks pretty, looks pretty dense.
Yeah, that's pretty rocky.
If not, we'll continue down the trail where I know there's some flat spots. Okay, we're at camp just at the base of Charlebois Spring. Get my tent set up. And one little tip I was just thinking of is when you have your down sleeping bag before you put it in the tent, just kind of fluff it like crazy and put a bunch of air in the down, fluff it all over the place, and you'll have a warmer sleeping bag at night.
So Kev is making a Kev fire ring for campfire roasted or broiled fish.
The secret is you have your place for the grill before you get the fire going.
Right, that makes
Otherwise
sense.
It's too difficult to set that up. So that's good to go. Okay, we got our fire going here, and sun's starting to go down. We're prepping the food. Got the potato here. Let's see, bring it in focus. Potato, all I put is sliced it, and then olive oil, powdered butter, salt, pepper, and Kev spice. And then over here, some salmon, and that's just got some olive oil and salt and pepper and a little spice on it, and they're just hanging out, waiting to go on the grill. All right, we're gonna start cooking soon. There we go. There's the potatoes ready.
He's sitting on a...
Got a little handle for it. All right, cooking update. We got some good looking catfish going. And in the back, there's 2 potatoes that we prepped a little bit earlier. Got some nice mesquite wood cooking. All right, here's the finished potato. Looks pretty good. Haven't tasted it yet, but it looks done. And it looks like it's sitting in a little bit butter and oil and spices. I bet it's gonna be very good. Okay, this morning we're trying something a little bit new. I've never done these before. This is Kodiak dark chocolate protein pancakes mix. And I've chopped up some bacon, cooked it ahead of time. And the idea is make dark chocolate bacon pancakes. Add the bacon to it before you flip it. It'll crisp up on the other side. All right, we're gonna take a look here at the other side. There you go, that looks phenomenal. And there you go. That's the finished dish. Top of the morning to you, George. How you feeling today?
Fantastic. Great to be alive.
Great to be alive. And we decided that's Black Mountain right there, right?
Yeah.
It's beautiful jojoba in the sun. Lots of it. Buckthorn choya. We're not your normal backpackers. We got anchovies and crackers for a midday snack. We're not animals here. Okay, we're making our way up Terrapin Trail, and we're nearly at the saddle. We've been walking toward Weaver's Needle for the last few hours. Pretty impressive, but very difficult climb. And it's pretty hot and exposed, but we're getting some elevation, that's for sure. Okay, we are basically almost at Bluff Saddle, and this place is cool. I love this little valley right here.
This is a little enchanted valley.
It is, isn't it? Okay, we have gone up and over Terrapin Pass, then over Bluff Pass, and we've made camp on this ridge. That's George's tent next to the gigantic balancing rock. Look at that thing. And George is getting his rain kilt on for some reason.
It blocks the wind.
The windbreak.
I'm down there, right on the edge. And wow, what a view. This is freaking awesome. So we're set for a nice campsite tonight. We're gonna hit the hay tonight and hike out tomorrow morning. But man, what a gorgeous little trip. All right, good morning. We had a great night.
Yes.
Nice little fire and a good comfortable night up top of Bluff Saddle. And we're on our way out. George, any thoughts, comments, closing comments?
What an amazing trip to enjoy a unique desert wilderness so close to a metropolitan area with so few people in it.
Yeah.
We've gone from canyon to canyon, and this is a secret campsite with a, I'm not telling them where it is. Great trip.
Yeah.
Great company, great food.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Good job, man.
All right.
All right, let's get out of here.
Okay.